Welcome back. Let's do question 312. In the diagram, A, B, and C are vertices of triangle ABC. T is the midpoint of CB. The equation of the line AC is 5x minus 6y is equal to 8. This is the line AC. The angle of inclination of AB is alpha. Triangle DCT is drawn such that CD is parallel to AB. The lines AC and DT intersect at S, the y-intercept of AC. P, F, and R are the x-intercepts of DC, AC, and AB respectively. Calculate the size of alpha. In question 311, we found that the gradient of AB is -3. If the gradient is less than 0, it means the angle is going to be between 90 and 180. It means the angle is obtuse if your gradient is negative. In this case, our gradient is negative. How do we find our alpha? So alpha, we know that tan alpha is equal to m. So meaning that alpha is equal to arc tan or inverse of tan m. Our m is -3. And then what do we get? We get -7,156,56,5118, which is roughly 71,57. How do we find our angle, which is an obtuse angle? We just add 180 degrees. So meaning that alpha is equal to 180 degrees plus negative 71,56,56,5118. Then they get that alpha rounded off to 2 decimal places is 108,43 degrees.